In today's video, we'll be diving into an honest review of Synchrony Bank's CareCredit card. If you're considering using CareCredit for healthcare expenses, or just curious about how it works, this video will provide a comprehensive look at everything you need to know. First off, CareCredit is a healthcare credit card that helps you pay for medical expenses, from doctor visits to dental work, and even some veterinary bills. It can be a useful tool if you don't have the funds to cover large medical costs up front. But is it really worth it? Let's talk about the application process first. When applying for CareCredit, you'll need to provide some basic financial information, and the approval process can be fairly quick, depending on your credit score. If your credit is good, you may get a decent credit limit, but if your credit is on the lower side, you may not be approved for the amount you expect. Keep in mind that the approval process doesn't guarantee that you'll get the credit limit you want. Once approved, you'll get a credit card that you can use at participating healthcare providers. Now, here's where CareCredit stands out. You could often get 0% interest for a set period, typically 6 to 24 months, depending on the amount and terms. This can be a great way to break down large medical bills into smaller payments without paying interest. However, this is only true if you pay off the balance before the promotional period ends. Otherwise, you'll be hit with deferred interest, and it can add up quickly. Many people may not realize that after the promotional period, the interest rates can be very high, sometimes over 26%. This is a significant downside, especially if you're unable to pay off the balance before the end of the offer. Another downside is the relatively limited use of CareCredit. It's only accepted at specific healthcare providers. So, if you need to use it for something outside the healthcare sector, you might not be able to use it. Now, I know you may be wondering, is CareCredit right for you? If you have a good credit score, a large medical bill, and the ability to pay it off in a short time frame, it can be a great option. But if you don't have the ability to pay off your balance quickly, or if you're someone who might need more flexibility with spending, it could end up costing you a lot more due to high interest rates after the promotional period ends. Many useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, CareCredit offers some solid benefits if used properly. Just be cautious of the high interest rates that kick in after the promotional period, and make sure you read the fine print before signing up. If you think this card could work for your situation, it may be worth considering. But be sure to weigh the pros and cons carefully. If you enjoyed this review and found it helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tips on financial products.